Have you ever wanted to store information like a real person? For example, a name, an age, and a country. Would you create three separate variables? You could, but Python gives us a better way. It's called a dictionary. Think of a dictionary like a collection of labels and values. For example, the label name stores the value Ali. The label age stores the value 20. The label country stores the value Algeria. Instead of remembering positions, you simply use the label. If you want the name, you ask for name. If you want the age, you ask for age. That's why dictionaries are so useful. They make your data organized and easy to understand. Whenever you need to describe something with information, like a user, a product, or a car, a dictionary is often the perfect choice. And that's all you need to know as a beginner. In the next lesson, we'll learn sets explained clearly.